percentage word problem. In a class of 40 students, 25% were absent. Okay, this happens to be the number of persons absent. Calculate the number of students present. So this is our target, to figure out the number of students present. Okay, there's a couple of ways that you can fix this. Now let's start from what we know. So total number of students in this class is what? Total number of students. What's the number of students in this class? 40. This is the total number of students, not the percentage of students. Take note of that. Then students who are present is what we are being asked. So absent, they give us absent as 25%. So we don't know the number of persons, but we know their percentage. And they say calculate the number of persons present. So present, we don't know it yet. Okay, we can fix this. To fix the number of persons present, let's get to know the number of persons absent. So if we want to know the number of persons who are present, let's know the number of persons who are actually absent. And in this question, they did not tell us the number of persons who are absent. Rather, they gave us the percentage of persons who are absent. So to fix this, we use the percentage of absent to figure it out. So 25% can be written as a fraction to become 25 over 100. Now with this percentage, multiply by the total number of persons in the class, which is 40. Once you do that, you can cancel out this 0 can cancel out. 5 here is 2, 5 here is 5, and 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. So 5 times 2 at the end of this is giving us 10. You can as well just do 25 times 40 divided by 100. That can also give you a nice answer. So let's continue from this very point. Okay, we'll have a calculator. I think we can use this to prove what we just did. So we said 25 multiplied by 40 divided by 100. So you see we got 10, but I had to cancel that because I didn't want to solve with calculator. Okay, so we know that number of persons who are absent is 10. How did we get that? By using the percentage of absent to multiply by the total number of persons in the class. We can fix those who are absent. Okay, to figure out the number of persons present, we just have to subtract total number of persons in the class from those who are absent. And 40 minus 10 is 30, so 30 students. Now this makes sense. Do you know why? Because in this class we had 40 persons and then 10 persons were absent. Normal reasoning, you can just think about it and you see that 30% were present in the class, and it makes sense that way. For the second question, in a gathering of 200, that's 200 people, 160 people, we are children. 160, we are children. If the rest are adults, what is the percentage of adults? We are asked to figure out the percentage of adults. So this should be our main focus. Okay, let's get some details done. In this gathering, total number of people in this gathering is 200, right? Okay, yes, and we have children and adults in this gathering. So children, adults. Children happens to be 160 people, 160 persons are children. The rest are adults. What is the percentage of adults? Okay, for you to figure out the percentage of adults, there are some other information you need. From here, you can just know that since there are total number of 200 persons and 160 is children, then 40 should be adults. How did I do that? And just say 200 minus 160 minus 160. 0 goes away. Take 1 here, add the 10 minus 4. 10 minus 6 is 4, and then this remaining 1 and it's gone. Okay. So by reading the question carefully, I've been able to figure out this without solving. So I didn't do any calculation, and I got, although it wasn't given to me in the question. Okay, for me to get the percentage of adults, just simply say adults equal to, what's the number of adults? 40 divided by total number of persons in this gathering is 200, then multiplied by 100. So this 20 can cancel out this 20, and then 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2, so you can take the 0 up. So you can take the 0 up. So 20 times 1 is just 20. So adults happen to be 20%, and it makes sense that way. So based on the question structure, you have to figure out something. So it's very much important that you understand the question, get to know what you are asked to solve, and once you know that, bring, like, write down the details they give you, and then find your way to the appropriate answer. Okay, we'll have a task, just 2 questions. You can pause this video and write the task down and do it, try it on your own. And if you had any challenge during the course of this lesson, pause the video, go through the lesson again and make sure you understand. This video is brought to you by Operation Academic World. Here is our official email address, and here is our official WhatsApp contact. Nice having you today. Do it to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to join us next time. Thank you so much.